What's up guys, today I'm gonna be painting my valve cover. So I started off by removing the valve cover. I sanded down the valve cover so the paint would stick better. I removed the engine cover mounts because I won't need them anymore. I kinda enjoyed how it looked like after I sanded it down. I also cleaned it with a degreaser. I started off by doing one medium coat. Then you wanna use a heat gun so it makes the wrinkles. This is how it's gonna look like after a few minutes. I kinda overdone it with the heat gun, so it made the wrinkles too large. So I sanded it down. Then I did a light coat of paint and I used the heat gun again. I bought and installed new eccentric shaft gasket. I still had paint left, so I painted the ECU cover and Valvetronic motor. It was the same process. I also bought these Dynon style performance coils. I'm gonna give you a link down in the description below. I also used electrical tape for the ugly wires. So this is how it looked like before, and this is how it looks now. Anyways guys, this is it for today's video. See you next time.